Hi, it's Coach V. What are you waiting for? Okay, it is 2025. It is now February 14th, the day of this video. And some of you have noticed you watched the video, you subscribed, you liked the videos, you've came to the channel, you've commented, you shared the video, and I appreciate all of that. But one thing you have not done is sign up for the membership. I need you to sign up for the membership. Click the button down below. The link is in the description. Sign up today. You want to correct your W-4s. I have the information for you as well. Well, now while it's the beginning of the year, it is tax season. Let's correct those W-4s so everything will line up great for you in 2026 when you file for 2025 tax returns. Okay? We want you to get more money in your pocket, taking more money home, and not leaving money on the table. Okay? So sign up for the program, the credit repair program, and included in the credit repair program is the Correct Your W-4 software. So we have all the things that you need, the tools, the information is here for you. For a limited time offer for $19.95. Yes, I said $19.95, less than $20, $20. You can get started today. Money back guarantee. Try it out for 30 days. You don't like it, you will get your money back. However, I would like to say, get into this program. You need it. We also have the taxes. It's tax season. We have individuals that will help you with your taxes. You need filing, or if you're an entrepreneur, you have your own business, you have a work from home opportunity business. This is for you. I have that information linked down below. We have tax experts that have been in the business for a long time. They are ready to help you with your filings, any questions you may have. First, in order for you to get that, you got to have the membership. Okay, so tap into that. The link will also be down in the description. So with the membership, $19.95, DIY credit repair software, letters, we have all of that for you. $19.95. Today, you can get started. Limited time offer, $19.95. Okay, get the membership. Share it with your family and your friends. You tap into it. You get to go and look in the back office, see all the information, see the letters that you can send to your credit, people, credit bureaus, and all of that. Tap into all of that. And also, with that DIY credit repair software and the membership, you have the opportunity to make commission, to make money through an affiliate link. You can make money back from this awesome program. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. I will have the link here on the description, on the screen, and also in the description link below. You can talk to me, ask me any questions that you need. You can also drop your questions down in the comments and I will answer those questions as soon as possible. Let's also be respectful when we're in the comments as well. And with this business, it is a business. And at the end of the year, for a lot of people, some of them are excited because you know what? They get to write off all those business expenses. So the monthly membership fees that you pay, you get to write those off. And we teach you that in this program. So you want to get started today? Click the link down in the description. $19.95 limited time offer. Get started today. All right, get started today and you're on your way making money. With this great opportunity, like I always say, you can, from your phone, mobile device, you can post and share the opportunity. We have the information for you. All you're doing is copying and pasting and sharing. Copy, paste, and share. So you want a great opportunity. You can work from home and do whatever you want to do the rest of the day. It only takes a few hours a day. You put the time in. You get paid weekly commission. Every week, every Friday, you get a check like clockwork. And also, on top of that, residual income. Residual income. The more you share it, The more you get paid, the more people click on the affiliate link, the more you get residual income. So there's multiple ways you get paid in this business. You're looking for something to work from home. We're not selling ebooks. We're not selling courses. We don't have physical products to sell. It's all digital marketing, digital products that we're marketing here. Okay, digital products, sharing it. So you don't have to go buy products. You don't have to go and sell physical products in your home. You don't have to do that. Everything for you is on your mobile device. You have a phone, you have a tablet, you have a computer, whatever device you want to use on the go is mobile. Okay, share with your friends, your family, anyone you know who's in need of or financially struggling. Because right now, the economy has hit a lot of people and it's going to hit more people. And sadly, people are losing their jobs every day. Sadly, the inflation is crazy. Prices are increasing. Let's not even talk about it. But we have this awesome program that can help you with those expenses. Okay, so with the program, you need a little side, hustle, little business. This is opportunity for you. Not only you making money on the side, you also boosting up your credit score. You also increasing your bank account. You bringing home more money through the W-4. Okay, so this program, it help you all around. Even it's great for young adults as well. 17, 18, 19, 20, they're going off to college. This will help them. I wish I had this years ago. Okay, I wish I did. But I have it now, and I know this is a great opportunity. Don't sleep on this. It's 2025. We're leveling up. We're increasing our bank accounts. All right. And we also have other options for discount travel. I'll teach you how to save on your travel. It's about to be spring break time. Okay. And we want